Welcome back to Add Art. Today's Add Art is for Hedgehog Awareness Week, and we're going to be drawing this spiky superstar. Let's make a start. First we'll start with its nose leading up to its hair, and the tip of its nose, a round ball, and a curve leading round into a smile. Big eyeball, pupil, let's put that in, there we go, another eyeball there and pupil looking over its nose, some spiky eyebrows, we'll put some of these spikes, these spines all the way around its body. Just put its little front paws in. The mouth, and put the other paw in. And put the rest of these spiky spines in. I was reading that they can have up to 7,000 spikes on their body, and they have this sort of powerful muscle on their back which they can use to raise them up if they feel like they're in trouble. And they can also curl themselves up into a tight spiky ball as well, to prevent any predators from nibbling on them. Just put his ear in. Some more spines. Another ear. Let's colour in this nose. Looking good and spiky now. Let's put some bluebells in and make this a bluebell wood where our hedgehog's snuffling around. This comes down, stem. Like the name suggests, the flowers of a bluebell hang down like a bell. Let's give them something to hang off. Flowers come down and out. Again, they're quite bell-shaped. These almost like pleats at the bottom. Finish off that stalk there. One more. I was reading that hedgehogs like to eat slugs. That's why they're known as the gardener's friend. And they also eat crunchy beetles and earthworms and sometimes birds' eggs if they're on the ground. But if you think you've got hedgehogs in your garden, don't put bread or milk out. Apparently they're lactose intolerant, so they don't like milk. Bread isn't good for them either. What they do like, if you can get it, is some cat food or dog food. Let's put another bluebell over the this side. Sort of springtime. Hedgehogs hibernate during the winter. This one's out and about now, looking for food. And they get quite thirsty during the summer as well, so it's always a good idea to leave a little shallow dish of water for them, so they might find it and drink from it. They can actually run faster than I thought. They can run 6 feet per second, which is quite quick. I thought they were a bit slower than that, but it's a good thing about doing these drawings. You find out some amazing facts about each of the animals. Do some hanging in the foreground here. On this side helps frame our picture. Very lucky near where I live there's a huge forest called Heartwood Forest, and it has some amazing bluebells that come out. It just blankets the entire wood with a sort of purple colour. That was sort of inspiration for this picture. Toadstool in the foreground here. Now this type of toadstool you often see in fairy tales, red with white spots. They're incredibly poisonous. They're known as the fly agaric toadstools, so if ever you see one, stay well clear of it. Let's put in the trees of our woodland. I also discovered that a baby hedgehog is called a hoglet, which is quite a cute name. And the collective noun is an array of hedgehogs. So if ever you see more than one, it's an array of hedgehogs. Put some grass on this scene here. Put some detail into these trees. Went for a walk in the woods the other day, and I was really having a look at the bark, and it was really quite marked in these lines, so I thought I'd take inspiration from that. It's always good to look at the world around you and try and apply that to your drawings. Some other trees in the distance so they look a bit thinner. Just creates a sense of this being quite a deep wood. We'll have some light shafts shining through this when we colour it in. And there we have it. There is our hedgehog in his bluebell wood. Hope you've enjoyed drawing along with that one today. If you want to learn more about Hedgehog Awareness Week. I've put a link below. If you've enjoyed drawing this, then do please give me a like, and remember to subscribe as well so you get to see all the new ad arts. And if you want to make a suggestion as to what I should draw next, then get a grown-up to leave me a message on my Instagram account, which is @ad_art_king, and perhaps I'll choose your idea for the drawing next time. But that's it for today, and I'll see you again on Ad Art. Bye for now.